Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something fun, something I've been wanting to show you guys since I started my channel. I don't know if you guys know, but I love makeup, I love hair, I love beauty, I love all that stuff. So I wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup routine to start off with. I'm actually starting off with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Now I know this has got some bad press because I don't really know why it's just got some bad reviews. I really like it. I think it's comparable to Benefit Professional. You know, I've got pores the size of craters on Mars, so oh, that's a good look. I like that. Now I like to just sort of roughly blend it in and then pat it into my pores. Next, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the colour Short Red. I like this foundation because it's really full coverage, but it still gives a glow and it's very quick to blend. And because I'm lazy, I don't like to spend loads of time blending. So I just take a little bit on my finger and I dot it around my face. So this isn't a beauty blender, this is actually the No. 7 beauty sponge. I literally, I'm not joking, can't bring myself to spend £18 on a sponge, so this is why I use this one, but honestly I think it does a really good job. It smooths out all your foundation. It does do a better job than makeup brushes, which can end up making your makeup look really cakey. Yeah, I love beauty blenders, but I can't afford them, so you know, poor student life. Now I look like Casper the Ghost. So now my foundation is fully blended in, I like to put some concealer under my eyes and anywhere else I need it where I've got a blemish or pigmentation or anything. I use a lighter shade on my eyes because it brightens up the area under my eyes compared to the rest of my face and just makes me look more awake and less dead. So right now I look like crazy and I don't look normal. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make myself look even less normal by baking. I like to use the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder, mainly because all the other baking powders are so expensive and I'm poor. So I like to take a powder puff and I like to just press it in there, tap the excess off, and then I like to just go right underneath my eyes like that and set my under eye. I know this looks crazy at first, but it looks good in the end, I promise. I literally look crazy. I can appreciate that right now. So now my face is caked and baked to perfection, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer to add a bit of warmth to my face. I'm taking the Nancy contouring brush to do this with. Tap off the excess, and then I like to just find where it's sort of wiggle like this. I like to find that line and I like to just go like that and then do circling motions to blend it upwards. Never blend it downwards because it will have the opposite effect and just make your face look dirty. That's not the look we're going for here. Now, because it's currently summer in the UK, I like to use a little bit of a shimmery, sort of more brown toned blush. So I'm going to go into the Soft Revolution highlighter palette, and I know this is a highlighter, but I'm going to go in with this shade here. Sort of like a rosy brown shade, but it comes up as like blush on me, so I really like it anyway. As you can see, it just adds that little bit of health, a little bit of glow. Next, I like to take a smaller highlighting brush, just like this one, and I like to go into the cream shade, which is just there. Or I use this one for nights out, and this one for like every day, because it's a little bit more subtle. So that's my whole face done. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes, so I'm going to bring you a little bit closer.
So I use this colour from the Morphe 35K palette and I basically just blend that into my crease as a transition shade to start off with. And then once I was happy with that, I used these two darker shades mixed together from the Morphe 35K and blended them into the outer part of my crease. And then I pressed on this golden shimmer from the same palette and literally just moved that, like pressed that on until like halfway up my eye. And I also took that into my inner corner too. I then mixed the two colours I used before in the outer part of my crease and took it under my eye, to sort of make it a more smoky, more wearable, because I just feel like my eyes look weird without putting anything under my eyes. I don't know, that's just how I feel. Like, if you don't want to do that, then that's completely fine, but that's just what I like to do. I then put mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I was kind of running out, hence why I'm having to like buy the mascara for it to come out the actual bottle. But yes, that is the finished eye look.
And then I'm just going to finish off the look by combing through my brows and filling it in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. And then I like to just use this L'Oreal Gold Obsession nude lipstick on my lips to finish off the look. And there you have it, guys, that's my finished makeup look done. As you can see, it was very easy and very quick and it didn't take me a lot of time at all. And I really like it. I think it looks really put together and really swish and fun, but it didn't take time. Did not take much time. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for me, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!